Recently, I came across Microsoft's project Playwright CLI. First, I thought it's just another wrapper on Playwright. But when I saw this line in the official documentation, it's best fit for coding agents, that changed everything. This tool wasn't built for us to manually write scripts. It was built specifically to serve as the eyes for AI agents like GitHub Copilot and Claude Code. If you're using AI agents for your workflow, you need to see this. Because you've ever asked an AI to write Playwright test, you've seen the problem. The code looks perfect, the AI is confident, but the test fails immediately. The AI isn't failing because it can't code. It's failing because it's guessing the UI structure. And the documentation makes it clear. This CLI is the bridge to fix that. Setup is simple. Just copy this installation command. Now let's install the browsers. So Playwright Chromium was downloaded and now the Playwright Chromium headless shell is getting downloaded. Other browsers, Firefox and WebKit will also get downloaded. If you only want a specific browser, you can specify that while running the install command. And now let's verify. It's been installed successfully and these are the tools that we can use. That's it. Now the CLI can launch browsers, take snapshots and run actions directly from the terminal. To understand why this exists, we need to talk about context windows. AI agents can already automate browsers using Playwright MCP. An MCP is powerful, but it comes at a cost. Every interaction can flood the model with huge amounts of data. Accessibility trees, tool definitions, browser metadata, large structured responses. All of that consumes tokens. And when tokens get consumed, the model has less room to think. Playwright CLI takes a different approach. Instead of flooding the model with data, it uses simple terminal commands. The CLI returns a lightweight snapshot of the browser state after every command. Less noise, fewer tokens, more reasoning space. The browser becomes something that AI can observe, not something it has to fully ingest every time. Now, when you ask the AI agent to automate your checkout flow, let's see how it actually uses Playwright CLI internally. First, it opens the page. Notice it runs headless by default. An AI agent doesn't need a visible browser window. To run it in a headed mode, type headed. Next, it takes a snapshot. Instead of returning raw HTML, Playwright CLI generates a simplified structured view. Every interactive element receives a short identifier like E13, E15. Think of these IDs as coordinates designed for AI. Instead of guessing selectors or writing fragile XPath expressions, the model can directly reference what it sees. So if it wants to click a button, it simply runs That's it. Observe, reason, act. Observe again. This creates a tight feedback loop between the model and the browser. And it's what makes the system significantly more reliable than the traditional approaches. If this is the direction AI tools are heading, I'm curious what you think. Would you trust an AI agent to run browser automation like this in real workflows? Drop a comment, I'll read them. If you're using GitHub Copilot, Claude Code, or any AI agent that works with browsers, this idea matters more than it looks. Do AI agents need more context or better context? Let me know in the comments. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe to JKC Tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.